Happy New Year! Welcome back to my channel, guys. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful vegetable coconut rice. So, walk with me, guys. So, here I have some curry, some black pepper, thyme, salt, some crayfish, ginger, garlic, and some bouillon seasoning, vegetable oil, sweet corn, green beans, washed long grain basmati rice. Okay, this has been washed already, ready to be cooked. So this was a lot of ingredients, guys, so I'll just keep showing you. This is some chopped green bell peppers, chopped habaneros. The red one over there is the chopped red bell peppers, spring onions, carrots, and extra onion for garnish. And I have about 2 medium-sized coconuts. I broke them already and drank the water. And some chopped onions. Okay, so let's get started. So I kept some of that coconut aside, and then I think about two of those smaller ones that I cut earlier, just for some extra garnish, and I cut the rest into small bits for the food processor to work effectively. So I processed this for just a couple of seconds, maybe like 10 seconds or something. I mean, we're done, and this is what it looks like. From these, I was able to get, I think, about 3 cups of coconut milk. So I transferred that into, I used warm water, guys, to do this so that it makes it, more creamy and oily and stuff. So using a cheesecloth or the cloth they use in the market to make pap, akamu in Nigeria. So that's what I used to separate the coconut milk from the rest of the coconut bits. Okay, so you want to gently fold all of that in and squeeze, guys. You need some muscles. This is a bit of exercise for my arms. So I squeezed on the shaft, squeezed it really hard until I got all of the milk out. And I had like 3 cups, like I said. And so in a pot, I added the vegetable oil, and then I added my onion, and I sauteed this for about 10 seconds or until the onions became translucent or fragrant in the kitchen, and that was it. And after this, I added my garlic and of course the ginger, and again I sauteed for about a couple of seconds, maybe 10 seconds or 8 seconds thereabout, until it became fragrant and the ginger and garlic released the oils in them. Okay, so I fried. Okay, and next up I added my chopped habanero peppers. Okay, and the curry and some thyme and the black pepper, and then I stirred all of that together. And next up I followed with my coconut milk. Please check the description for the list of the ingredients and the exact measurement. Okay, so I brought that to a boil. All right, and when it started boiling, I added my washed rice. I think this was about 2 cups of rice. Please check the description box for that. So I just mixed it all together to combine and make sure everything is leveled and settled. So guys, if you're still here watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Okay, so next I added my grounded crayfish, and I went in with my salt. Again, check the description for the exact measurement, guys. This is my bouillon seasoning, and I mixed everything together to make sure that the whole thing was coated in all of the spices I just added. And after that, you want to cover this and let the rice cook. Okay, so after about 40 minutes, my rice was ready. As you can see, every grain is standing by itself, it's not sticky and all that. So I set that aside, and next I went in with my wok. I added some vegetable oil and some chopped onions. Okay, so this is the frying process. This is where we get to fry. Okay, so I went in with my green bell peppers, my green beans, my chopped red bell peppers, my diced carrots, and my sweet corn. And then I fried this, all of this has a lot of liquid in it, so you want to fry all of that liquid out. So I fried this for, I think it took about 2 minutes, and then I added half a teaspoon of salt and 1 bouillon cube to this just to spice these vegetables up. So again, I mixed and mixed and mixed and mixed and let these guys fry. So you want to keep stirring these vegetables so that they do not burn. Okay, so when I was done frying these guys, I added the already cooked rice, and this was so beautiful, guys. It was so sweet to keep stirring in all of those colors. And after I combined everything together, I just sprinkled some of the leftover coconut flakes, okay, just to give you some extra coconut flavor, guys. And this was so tasty and yummy. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.